Hello everyone, welcome to ACJ Engage. This is an initiative by Asian College of Journalism and UNICEF focusing on child rights. This is Priyadarshini Patwa
and Janardhan Kaushik, your host for today.
Children are the most vulnerable section when it comes to human trafficking. Recent reports estimate that 13 million children around the world are the victim of trafficking.
We have with us Ms. B. Jayashree, who is head of Indo Media Resource Center at MS Swaminathan Research Foundation, and also we have with us Mr. A. Selvaraj, who is covering crime at Times of India. They are here to discuss about the issues of human tragedy.
Welcome, ma'am. Mr. Selvaraj, what do you think leads to child trafficking in India?
Actually, most of the victims of this child trafficking are from the lower strata of community, like society, and these people are they don't have the option, and mostly from, according to the police statistics, mostly from this urban areas and the rural areas of the Andhra Pradesh, some pockets in Andhra Pradesh, Orissa, and the near Jharkhand, West Bengal. So most of the children are like being trafficked by the people, and they are paying a hefty amount to the family to take their children, and it's very worse because most of the families, they know what is going to happen and they admit it, and for the sake of their family, and because of most of these families are having more children, they don't have any other option to survive. So it's a very pathetic part of this.
Ma'am, what would you like to say on that?
I think I agree with Mr. Selvaraj on the socio-economic factors being a very huge aspect of trafficking that happens. Sometimes because families are pushing, for other reasons. Nobody actually would intend. There are, of course, some cases we've come across where the fathers sell their daughters into the sex trade, and those stories do exist. But very often it is for some sort of a job opportunity that is promised. And it's only because of the socio-economic considerations that the family agrees to it. And very often they lose track of the child over a period of time. So I think this is really a very important, it's an underlying aspect of trafficking, especially among children.
And also, like another worst part is the police personnel, they never react much, and they don't know how to handle these cases. And this is they simply treat the children, the victims, as kind of like they've been paraded in front of other people, and like they've been harassed literally. So the children and these families are struggling to mete out justice. So this is a fact.
Sir, like we have a question from one of our student, Ujjwal. He is asking that do the presence of such racket contributes to more children being subjected to trafficking, or it arises from the financial backwardness in the family? Like, what do you think is the main cause?
Main root cause, actually, like police will give some strategy, like they will give some figures, but the original thing is the as Jayashree ma'am said, it's of socio-economic background. That is the main primary cause. And these people, like the children, they don't know, they are being given some gifts and some freebies, so they don't know what is going to happen in their life. And even in Mahabalipuram in Tamil Nadu, we have a couple of police have registered couple of cases against the pedophiles, and there is there's another angle to the same issue. Now, these migrant laborers in the suburban areas of the city, many children are not going to these schools. There is no school for them to study. There's a thing, and these children are being exploited by the employers, and these people who have on the in the, for example, in Brooklyn and other areas, people are subjected, they are being taken to some kind of tortures, and this they are humiliating it, but the children, they are tormenting a extraordinary pressure, and they couldn't express their views to others, even because these families are both the mother and father both are working, and the children are like they are alone and being exploited by everyone in that area.